All right, fellas, we back. Thank all y'all for tuning in. To all the new subscribers, welcome to Gbody Media. Let's admire and teach each other how to keep these Gbodies on the road. We got the best car platform. Let's show the world, fellas. I do have a Gbody Media Facebook group. Y'all join it. Post y'all problems, anything that y'all working on. Post y'all rides on there. Let's try to connect with one another and teach each other how to keep these on the road, fellas. Finna get back on my brother's Monte Carlo. Finna show you what all I'm gonna do right now, and just stay tuned. I'm gonna turn y'all back on here in a minute. All right, fellas, this is what we got going on today. We're gonna go on and get off all the old vacuum lines, take out the charcoal canister, the vacuum ball for the AC doors and stuff. I'm gonna get off the windshield washer jug so I can get this fender ready to be cleaned up too. I'm gonna come over here and I'm gonna try to go on and attack this smog pump and get it off and everything that's associated with it, and just start getting off all the old vacuum lines that we're not gonna need. I'm gonna document everything in the links, so when we go to buy new hoses and stuff, it'll already be together and stuff, so we won't have no problems there. But I'm gonna get off all the old hoses, all the things that's associated with the smog pump, so we can get ready to start degreasing and cleaning it up. After I get off all the hoses and smog stuff, I'm gonna attack and try to go on ahead and get the manifolds off. I'm gonna go on and hit them with some penetrating fluid, and we're gonna go on and try to get those off too, fellas. So I ain't gonna bore y'all with taking all this stuff off. I'm just gonna turn y'all back on and show y'all what all I got taken off and stuff. So y'all just stay tuned, fellas. All right, fellas, we back. This is what we got done today. We got most of all the smog hoses and old vacuum lines off. I got the air diverter and smog pump off. All that's left is this bracket right here for the smog pump I gotta get off. I'm gonna have to get a breaker bar in there to get those bolts out. But I got the bracket off for the EGR cylinder and the vacuum switch. All those associated vacuum lines that went to the carb. I took off the heater hoses and stuff. I took off the AC lines. I got the windshield washer pump off, the vacuum, the charcoal canister, the vacuum ball, just all those vacuum lines. And what's left is the stock harness from it's coming out the passenger side, which got these two connectors. This goes down to the power steering pump. This one went to the block right here. Got like a little broken connector, but the spade on there still good. Just might use some shrink wrap to fix that up. And this is the harness that we're gonna retain. And it's gonna be all re-loomed. But it's got your stock plug on there for your alternator. Your AC compressor. I gotta figure out what's all those and see which ones we're gonna use. This one, this connector, and the main connector, I gotta figure out with all the wires that we're gonna still retain and use. But all this we're gonna retain. It's gonna be re-loomed and stuff. I disconnected the oil pressure switch and the distributor connectors back there. What else? I went and started breaking the bolts loose for the manifold. I got that one and I got that one loose. Two in the middle I couldn't get loose yet, but I didn't try that hard. And I started breaking the bolts loose on the intake to get that off. Right now, we are almost in the stage of doing a deep clean and degrease on it. But next, I think I'm gonna try to attack the manifolds and look at the wiring on the inside and stuff and see, like up under the dash and behind the radio, check out all that wiring, see if there's any connections that need to be fixed. But this is almost ready to get deep cleaned, and this are all the stuff that we took off. This hard AC line, We're gonna keep it, clean it up. This AC line looking fairly good shape. I see if he want to replace it or keep it to keep the cost down. But all these parts are like the smog pump, the air diverter, and all like the little check valves and connections. These will get boxed up and give it back to them if you ever want to go back to stock or anything. You got your EGR. This one came off the intake. Your EGR solenoid and your vacuum switch. And these are the hoses. All this is junk, but I just need to keep it to in reference for the lengths and stuff and the sizes. Like, you know, if you watch the AC teardown box video, you know, this is the line that goes to the AC controls, which connects to the vacuum ball. And this is the heater valve. Like on my Regal, it's mounted to the intake, but this is an inline heater valve. And you see, this is that that other vacuum line that I was talking about in that video, the gray line. So I just need to keep that stuff to check out the lengths and stuff. But this all gonna get thrown away and stuff. But all of that stuff gonna get boxed up. And this all the smog lines and stuff that's gonna get thrown away, fellas. So we getting there. So on the next video, I'm probably gonna go on and start attacking the manifolds and getting the rest of the intake bolts loose and stuff. I'm not gonna take it off right now. I'm just gonna get all the bolts loose and stuff. And I'm gonna start going through and seeing what all vacuum lines that we need to go purchase and stuff. And I'm gonna start on the wiring, fellas. So the build is coming along, and it's almost ready to start getting cleaned up, fellas. It's gonna be a nice little 305. And I've been doing more research on the TBI swap and stuff. I'm probably gonna try to use one of these spacers with it. You know, the higher you have it, it's better for your fuel atomization. So I might use one of those. And you know, it's already gonna have this spacer for the TBI. So if we got the hood clearance, I'm gonna use one of those other spacers too, to get a little bit of better fuel atomization out of her. But that's all for today, fellas. I'm gonna go in and spend the rest of the day with the family and stuff, and we'll get back on this next week, fellas. I hope y'all enjoyed. Y'all stay tuned in, fellas, man. Y'all have a great day. See y'all next time.